not one of my favorite helmets. Every breath. See my glasses fog up? Every breath. Difficult to get off and on with the glasses. It's not as quiet as the nowhere near as quiet as the Shoei. The head adjustment in here, there's a piece here on the edge that actually hits my ear, right at the top of my ear. It's a great helmet, don't get me wrong, but it's just the pin lock. If I'm not wearing my glasses, this will never fog. Those of you that are not familiar with pin lock, there's actually a shield inside this shield right here. You put it in, hang on a second, and I'll show you. You put it in to these pins right here. There's one on each side, these two pins here. And there's a shield inside this shield, and that protects it. I like this setup. I like this shield on the outside. I like this, but I like the Shoei better. It's just better. The Shoei, when it's built internally, it works better because it is a quality helmet. The Sena 30K, can't hear shit when you're going, even if you turn it up. The Shoei Rider's Link will blow your ears out. It's you've got to turn it down. It works really well. This the Sena 30K will pair with your phone easily, and does a great job when you pair it to your phone. You have great functionality there. But one of the things I have noticed about the Apple phone, when I turn the phone off and on, or it goes off on its own, the screen goes down, it has a tendency to, when you go back and open the screen, your Sena is not paired, when in actuality it is paired. When you go inside the system, it says connected, but you can't get back to the utility. And I don't know if that's a software glitch. I'm not sure exactly what that is that causes that, but it is a problem, in my opinion. The 30K would be wonderful for connectivity to multiple people. It's very simple. You just hit a button. It creates a mesh that you connect to. Works great with that. I have tried it without riding with this helmet on, and it connects very well to the mesh. The Shoei Rider's Link, to me, that's built into the helmet of the Shoei, I'm a lot happier with it. Love the graphics on this Arai. Love the feel of this helmet. It's a nice helmet, but it's just not something that I wear because I can't. Excuse me. I can't. Every breath, when I'm not up to speed, the vents on the top of it were great. The vents on the front were great. They keep airflow. You can feel it blowing over your head. Everything. The great vents on this Arai. But not enough venting to, I had to leave the visor cracked just a tad to keep my glasses from fogging. I didn't notice that much on the Shoei. Maybe I did. Maybe I just didn't pay any attention to it, but I'm preferable to the Shoei. I like the way that it's modular and it opens up. It just, you can pull up to the light, pop it up, talk to your buddy. You don't have to scream, pop your visor, no, try to hear each other. You want a drink of water, you can get a drink of water. It's just better functionality to me. Okay guys, it's Frosty. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a little long, almost 14 minutes, but thanks for watching.